Alright, what's going on with everybody? Welcome to the video. Spent the weekend camping out here with the dude there. This thing hasn't been fired up in several days. Got home on Thursday, shut everything off, cleaned out the refrigerator, shut the refrigerator off, and loaded up that thing and went camping with my brother and his family. So we're going to pull the leaves off the stacks, and I gotta get it cleaned out. Check to make sure it's in neutral. Well, that's a good sign. At least if you can hear it, transfer pump's running. He's not a fan. He does not like the pipes. So pick it up. Get your ball. Come on. Let that transfer pump run for a couple minutes. Prime that engine. You brat. I say a couple minutes, probably a couple seconds. And it's never gonna fire. It's not turning over fast enough. Yeah, so there's that. So I guess what we'll do is we'll get the battery box pulled off, get that thing turned around and hooked up to it, and we'll go from there.
Listen up, I gotta tell you, there is something you should know. I have never really liked you at all. I cannot hide it anymore. The future, trying to forget about the past. So many ways that I could change for the better. Don't even know where to begin. If I allow myself to dream, will it be as...
Alright, got everything hooked up. Pickup's running. We're gonna leave it sit for a while. Now, anybody that doesn't know, big trucks have 3 or 4 batteries. This originally came with 3. I put the 4th one in. They are in parallel. I'm pretty sure is how, I can't ever remember which one's which. Parallel and series. Actually, I think they're series because you only got, they're hooked together and then they're hooked. It's all negative, all positive, and then you got one cable that goes to each side to the truck. So we'll leave that sit for a while, and then I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is. We'll try and get it fired up here in a little bit. All right, so while that thing is charging, I'm going to unload my camping gear out of here. I have a truck bed tent, so that's what you're seeing. This is the bottom part that would go on the ground, and then behind that is the part that goes in the bed, and a couple of air mattresses and chairs. I broke one of my chairs, so I just left it with my brother. Well, I bent it because I'm heavy, but much to this guy's dismay, who would rather be playing ball right now. So I'm gonna get this stuff unloaded, and then we'll try giving that thing a shot again. So we'll see if I can get that camera turned around. There we go. All right, so gonna get that done. All right, so got the stuff out of the truck. Been a couple minutes. Only been a couple minutes. Really hasn't been that long. But we'll go ahead and give this thing a shot anyway. apparently has regulated herself here a little bit due to the temperatures. As you can hear, cold and that oil circulated up in that engine. So I'm gonna get all of this hooked up, get the jumper cables put back away. I also carry a set of jumper cables in my side box, but these ones are here at the house. Oh, there she goes. She idled down. So not as bad as she thought it was. So anyway, I'm gonna get these put away and work on probably YouTube videos. I got some footage for my brother and his family I gotta edit. I don't think I'll probably post that, and a bunch of stuff from this thing that I gotta get done. So we will talk to you later. Keep it shiny side up and the rubber on the ground, and safe travels.